कोट राधा किशन सूबा पंजाब के शहर कसूर के करीब वाक़ है। इसकी कुल आबादी 65,000 के करीब है और इर्द गिर्द के देहात की आबादी 70,000 के लगभग है और हर साल 2.7% आबादी में इजाफा हो रहा है। यहाँ कई सरकारी और गैर सरकारी तालीमी इदारे मौजूद थे, लेकिन एक मयारी तालीमी इदारे की कमी महसूस की जाती थी, जिसको पूरा करने के लिए यहाँ के मुखय्यर हजरात ने 2002 में द लर्निंग स्कूल के नाम से एक इदारा कायम किया, जो न सिर्फ कोट राधा किशन के बच्चों को मयारी तालीम फराहम करता है, बल्कि इर्द गिर्द के 50 से ज्यादा देहातों के बच्चे भी यहाँ तालीम हासिल करने आते हैं।
There were many schools available in the area, but no one of them was properly registered and no one of them was catering quality education at an affordable price. Already, we have got a girls college which have been affiliated with the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. The fee structure is very flexible, you see. In the primary section, the fee is almost 800 rupees. In the middle section it's 900 rupees and in secondary section it's 1100 rupees. But I said it is very flexible. There are many scholarships which have been given to the students, to the deserving students, and you will appreciate that the fee is almost the same as of government institutions, whereas the private institutions, they are charging many times to the fee. There is definitely a very good payroll system for the teachers, and that depends on their qualification, their experience, their expertise. The school was comprised of only 10 classrooms, and now there are 60 classrooms, big purpose-built campus, a playground, and all these facilities are available. So within next 5 years, I hope so that there will be another this sort of campus for the higher classes.
इस इदारे में साफ सुथरा माहौल, कुशादा क्लासरूम और पिक एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस के अलावा वो तमाम सहूलतें मौजूद हैं जो मुल्क के तमाम बड़े तालीमी इदारों में मुयस्सर हैं। मसलन 5,000 से ज़ायद किताबों पर मुश्तमिल लाइब्रेरी, साइंस लेबोरेटरी और कंप्यूटर लैब।
But we have just all the facilities for the students for their studies. The science labs are available, and the computer labs, 2 computer labs are there. The proper library is maintained with 5,000 books, and we have arranged a timetable in a way that each student got the opportunity to go to the computer lab twice a week and go to the library once. And they have a specific period in that, and definitely for the science students they have to go to the science lab.
इस इदारे में तलबा और तालिबात की तादाद 1100 से ज्यादा है। 2011 तक 10वीं जमात के 6 बैच यहाँ से मैट्रिक आला नंबरों में पास करके पाकिस्तान के बेहतरीन कॉलेजों और यूनिवर्सिटियों में तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं।
We are having 1,000 plus students, and in the junior section we are having almost 300 plus students. In the middle section 500 students plus, and in the high section it's 250 plus. So the sections actually are divided in the junior section. Classes are from playgroup to class 1, in the middle section from class 2 to class 7th, and in the higher section 8th up to class 1st year actually.
द लर्निंग स्कूल में बच्चों की तरबियत आला तालीम याफ्ता असातिज़ा की ज़ेरे निगरानी होती है, जिनको तरबियत के लिए बैरून मुल्क भी भेजा जाता है। इसी तरबियत के बायस इस स्कूल के तालिब इल्मों ने न सिर्फ ज़िले सतह पर बल्कि सूबाई सतह पर भी मुख्तलिफ मुकाबलों में अव्वल पोजीशन हासिल की है।
I'm Sobia Kazim and I'm working in the Learning School and College as a teacher. I had been teaching here since last 2.5 years. I have done my masters in mass communication and as well as in Urdu literature. I have been teaching here because I just find that the school is really doing very well for the society and to bring the change in the society. We are providing the best opportunities to our students, not only to students but also to the teachers. As we are just arranging the workshop not on national but international level for the teachers. As I have also been sent to the Germany for training workshop. So we are just trying to implement the best to our students, and this is all for the change in the society. And our students are also doing their best in curriculum and co-curriculum activities. So we just aim and we just wish that we will bring a lot of change and a lot of development, not only in our locality, not only in our society, but in the whole country. So we are trying our best, and our journey doesn't end here, and we will do the best as we can.
द लर्निंग स्कूल में बच्चों को निसाबी सरगर्मियों के अलावा गैर निसाबी सरगर्मियों में भी आला तालीम दी जाती है, जिससे बच्चों की ज़हनी नशोनुमा में मदद मिलती है।
We are working on both sides, that curriculum and non-curriculum. In the co-curricular side, the achievement we have got that for the last 3 years in the Chief Minister competition, we are winning the prize up to the provincial level, and this is one of the institute in whole of Punjab, I think, that has not scored an position up to province level for 3 consecutive years.
The Learning School Kota Education was established in 2002 by citizens of the area with the aim that we will provide quality education on non-profit basis. So we are covering about 20 kilometers area of surrounding to Kota Education, where boys and girls comes there. And as concerned to our slogan that we will provide quality education, yes, we are happy that this school, the Learning School Kota Education, now we can say that the Learning School and College, it is the best school of Kasur district. We are happy to share that when we established school in 2002, at that time our aim was we will provide quality education on non-profit basis, and surely we are still committed, and then you will recognize that yes, we are not getting any profit out of it.
आप भी किसी ऐसे मीनार की तामीर में अपने हिस्से की ईंट रखें, ताकि कार खैर के सफर में आप भी कोट राधा किशन के लोगों के कदम ब कदम चल सकें।